paper monkey. I got Happy Mail. I got Happy Mail, and I have not done a Happy Mail unbox in a long time. I've gotten Happy Mail, but I typically will show my Happy Mail on my live streams that I do on Saturdays. This is such a cute box. I covered up the addresses here, but look what my friend Denise Gardner did for me. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I love it already. I love it already. Let me get this cut open and unboxed and or at least opened up, and I'll be right back. I was giggling the whole time. Oh my God, Denise, this is the best. This is the absolute best. I've never even seen this. This is so fun. As I started opening the box, this is how I opened this side and I could see this. I immediately started giggling. Immediately. You know I'm saving this box yet. Oh my God, I haven't even opened it up yet. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you are new here, my intros are horrible. They don't get any better than this one. But welcome to my channel. I have the best crafty friends ever. Oh my goodness. And if you're coming back, guys, thank you so much for coming back. Seriously, I cannot even believe how crafty my friends are. Oh my God, look how cute these little monkeys are. Y'all, this is a whole hand page letter. Oh my goodness, God. What a sweet note. That is the sweetest note ever. I want to share this with you all. Denise says, don't you just love this community? We all learn so much from one another. We inspire each other in a way that those closest to us don't understand. And no truer words. No truer words, Denise. It's true, though. When you can tell when you talk to people about, what they ask you, what do you do? What'd you do this weekend or whatever? And you start to tell them, like I don't tell people, I just don't. But when you do start to talk about it with certain people, you can just see their eyes kind of glaze over. Because it's crazy. Seriously, we cut paper up, we glue it back together in a different way. And we have fun doing it. But the connections that we make here are what was more surprising to me than anything. Truly. That was what was the most surprising thing about it all. Let's get into this Happy Mail because I'm about to just flip out. I just cannot believe this. I can't believe the box. I cannot believe the box. Look at this. Look at this. She even has the instructions. All the monkeys, y'all. All the monkeys. Look at her. Oh my goodness, Denise. Now, Denise, if you don't know, Denise has, I can't believe you sent me this one. She has a shop, one or maybe even two shops that she sells her items in. She just started posting in her community tab. I'm going to link her channel because when Denise decides to come on full time here to our YouTube world and start uploading videos, watch out. You guys will be blown out of the water with what she creates. This is one of her creations here. She took a yo-yo, and I'm saying it's funny because I actually commented and reposted this particular tag, and I absolutely love it. I love it. She took a yo-yo, I'm sure that she made, but look at it, y'all. Look at the center of this yo-yo, and she made it a flower on a tag. And then look at her bag toppers. This is incredible. God, Denise, you are so talented. My monkeys. I love them. I love them. I can't even deal right now. Look at this. Look at that. Merry Monkey. Now, he's cute. Look how cute his little eyes are. You gave me more than one. Oh, my gosh. Look, y'all. Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are cute. Okay, I'm going to put those up here. That's awesome, Denise. Thank you. Let me see what she's got in here. Because you know I'm using these bags too. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at her little page toppers. I'm telling y'all, this is her Franken paper. When Denise, look at this. Look at these. Thank you for sending me these, Denise. I get so excited when other creators send me things that they make because I copy them, number one. But it's so nice to see it and feel it and hold it as compared to a video. But like I said, Denise doesn't upload videos yet. But this is so helpful. I have so many of these images that I can take my circle punch. And then look, she inks around them. She's in, oh my God, the level of detail. Just add anything to embellish. That's exactly right, Denise. That's on the two-sided tape, double-sided tape. And just add embellishments. Look at this. Look at her fodder. I need to do some fodder, don't I? This is, oh my God, Denise. Oh my goodness. Wait, there's one more. Oh, look at this one. Look at that little scrap with just some little, look at that bling. And that's a little stamp. Oh, jeez. Blow me out of the water. Every time. Just blows my mind at how talented she is. Denise, I can't wait for you to start uploading videos. And I know you said maybe, but I'm putting it out in the universe as a yes, you are. Let me get a little container so I can pour this out. Goodness gracious. This is incredible. This is incredible. I love these bags too, by the way, Denise. Look at these. Look at these. I haven't done these in a long time. Oh, I need to do, oh, Denise. Now, okay. I need to do, look at this. So cute. So, that is a little Kodak film thing. Look at those. I know, I feel like I'm going to, look. She does the best little embellishments. And Denise is a fast crafter. Look at this. It's a little notebook. No, ma'am. Stop it. Denise. Again, just blow my mind. Completely blow my mind. These are incredible. Oh, look how tiny. Look how tiny. How do you have the patience to do this? I need, oh my God, Denise. Okay, I see you. Yeah, look at these, y'all. This is how she packs it up for her shop, I'm telling you. Look at this coffee cup. The little kitty cat. I need to do these. We need to do a video on these, don't we? I think we need to do a video. Maybe I'll do it on my next Saturday coffee clutch. Maybe I'll do that. Look at her clusters. Stop it. Stop it, Denise. These are incredible. I bet she picked... Denise, tell me in the comments. Did you pick apart some old jewelry or something and just use that? I'm just... Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Denise, LGB writing... Oh my God, a little golden book writing board with this, and look at this. Look at this, y'all. Barbie coin. Look at these. I can't even deal with myself right now. I cannot even deal. Denise Gardner. Okay. All right, here we go. Look at these. Full of the monkeys. Monkeying around. This is the game. Denise, what can I do with these? I'm going to make these as my little freebie for when people order from me. I'm going to need to have a conversation with you, Denise, about these. I need some help. Oh my God, look at that ribbon. That's beautiful, y'all. I love the fleur-de-lis. I'm in South Louisiana, for those of you that don't know. And the fleur-de-lis symbol is actually, people associate it with the Saints football team, but it's actually more than that. I've actually loved the fleur-de-lis even when we were in Florida, which was before I moved to Louisiana. This chocolate brown, this is gorgeous. Denise, thank you so much for this. I'm putting this right up here. I have a shelf right up here of things that, like my little angel that my friend Tina gave me. Watch, I'll show you. She sits up there and watches over me all the time. So I'm going to put her. And then I actually look to Miss Wanda. I'm getting off track, but Miss Wanda, another friend that I recently met, she gave me this and some stuff that she had given me, and I wanted to see if I could put the little crochet dress on the angel. I'm gonna try to work on that today, maybe. Anyway, look at I got to use this too. I've got to put this somewhere. Some of these things I will, if it's I get in Happy Mail and I can put a magnet on the back of them. I put it on my door here so every time I go out of Shed-nanigans is what I call my craft shed, I see things that people have sent me. I'm not even dealing with you right now. Look at this. Denise. Look what she did, y'all. She painted the bottom gold. Oh, no, no, ma'am. Did you wrap this in paper? I think you did, huh? I can't even deal with you right now, Denise. Look at this, y'all. Did you make these, Denise? Denise. I'm telling you, when Denise starts uploading content, watch out. Watch out, world. Here's another monkey clip. Oh my goodness. Okay, these are fantastic. You know what these are, guys? These are the hidden paper clips. That's exactly, look at what she did. Thank you, Denise. It's true. I'm saving this for a minute because I just have a feeling. Oh, monkey. This paper is pretty cool, actually. That's pretty cool. Is this the game board? I hope it is. If you guys haven't seen my shed, I'll try to remember to link the shed tour that I did, the latest one I did. This is gorgeous. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, it's a tree. The monkeys are in the tree getting bananas. Oh my God, that's so fabulous. I'll try and link the video because in my shed I have exposed I was going to say beams. It's not beams, but it's not finished on the inside. There's no sheetrock or anything like that. So a lot of what I did was I took fabric because I have not an overabundance. I have a lot of fabric because I love fabric. And so some of the walls are lined with fabric and some places are lined with game boards. Denise, this is going up on the wall, honey. This is so fabulous. I have never seen this game, y'all. Monkey around. That is so cool. Okay, let me see. Oh, I got another clip. I got to do something with these clips too. Okay. Thank you. This is what you made the little monkey tag with, didn't you? Yeah, that's exactly what this is. And it's a Kodak. It must be some type of thing for film transparency or something. What's inside these things? Look at that, y'all. Oh, I'm using that. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Denise. Now let's see what's wrapped up in this tissue. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Y'all. Denise. Oh, my God. She's going to blow us out of the water, y'all. I'm telling you. You just can't even look at this. This was custom made for me. I could cry. Oh my God, Denise. The paper monkey, Curious George, my little monkey faces, all the bright colors, because she knows I love the bright colors. The bells, listen to the bells, y'all. It's detachable. I can put it on anything. Denise, I want to look at this every day. I think I have a shelf, like I said, right here. I have a shelf right here. And I think that there's the shelf bracket is right here. I'm going to hang this. Yeah. I've got to get another little piece to put it on there, but I'm going to hang that right there so I can look at it every day. Look at these wooden beads. Look at the attention to detail. You know how much time... Oh, my God, Denise. This is crazy. This is so beautiful. Look at these. I love these. Oh, wow. Those are cool. I have something like that. And look what she did. She took and did the edges all in gold. The attention to detail is what I think Denise is so good for. It's just that level of detail that some people don't think about. Some people like me. Now, I'm getting better at it. I am getting, as I grow in the craft, but Denise is top tier. Like, seriously. But look at this. All the letters are different colors. Carrie, the, paper, and monkey. It's not even bells. It's that these little plastic pieces, when they hit each other, they're making... It sounds just like a bell, though, Denise. That's exactly what I thought it was, but it's not. But it sounds just like bells. This is incredible. I'm so glad I videoed this. Thank you, Denise. Thank you all so very much for watching me unbox this wonderful Happy Mail. I'm going to link Denise's channel. And I don't know what else to say. I really don't know what else to say. But I will say this. I hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had unboxing this Happy Mail and using these items in my craft projects. Thank you, guys. We'll chat soon. Bye.